Here we're going to go over how to create an invoice for a delivery customer in Gimme VMS. First, navigate to the operations page. From here, tap on the top right-hand options menu. And we have two ways of creating invoices for customers. One, you can create an invoice by tapping Create Invoice, and that'll create it immediately and apply to the account right away. You can also schedule delivery, which will put it on a driver's schedule the next time they're going to go deliver products to that account. For right now, let's go ahead and hit Create Invoice. From here, we'll just go step by step in assigning the invoice to a delivery customer account. So I'm going to tap on Add. We're going to make this on Route 2. For the POS, we're going to go to Electric, if I can type. And we're going to assign it to, there we go. And then let's add some items to this. From here, you can pull from the very last order that was delivered, or you can pull from a standing order that's attached and belongs to this delivery account. Let's go ahead and select that standing order. As you can see, we have these three items that are regularly delivered to this account. Let's go ahead and make our adjustments to the order. We'll do 2 5-hour energies, 4 smart water, and 1 Starbucks. And for notes, we can say, make sure to tell them thank you. Go ahead and tap on Create. All right, and the invoice has been created. Let's take a look at it at that customer account. So we'll navigate back to the accounts page. And I already have it pre-filtered to Electric, our delivery customer. But let's go ahead and tap on More Info. From here, you can see that there's a negative credit, a negative balance on the account based on that invoice we just created. Let's go ahead and tap on Balance to check it out. And as you can see, we have our 1 unpaid invoice. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. And there we go. There's the invoice we just created for the account. That is how to create a delivery invoice for a delivery customer in Gimme VMS.